it's time to do some math. Remember our question from the other day? What do you like to do with your friends? What do you like to do with your friends? I like to shop, but that wasn't one of the choices. Okay? Do you like to sing, run, play sports, read, or play games? Now, which one of those had the most responses? If you said play games, you were right. That one had the most responses. Which one had the least amount of responses? The least amount. If you said sing and run, you were right. How many people chose play sports? 1, 2, 3. Yep. How many people chose read? Oh yeah, that was my answer too. Read, I forgot. 1, 2. Now, how many more people chose play games than read? How many more chose play games than read? Well, let's see. Here's a match. Here's a match. No match. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 more people chose play games than read. Listen carefully to this question. How many people chose play sports and read? How many people chose play sports and read? That means you have to add play sports with read. So 3 plus 2 equals, you got it, it equals 5. Okay, need your whiteboard. We are going to write down how much money we see. Remember, these are nickels. And when we have nickels, we count by fives. Count by fives. 5, 10, 15, 20. 20 cents. Now be careful, because when I saw some of yours, I saw some of you making your cent sign backwards. 20 cents. A C with a line in it. So make sure your cent sign is a C with a line in it. I saw some cent signs that looked like this, and that's not right. Okay? A cent sign is a C with a line in it. And you put the cent sign right after the numbers. All right, look at this one. This one has a nickel and 2 pennies. So we start at 5. Write it down. This one has 3 nickels and 4 pennies. We always start with a coin that is the larger coin. So count by fives. 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 19 cents. Write your cent sign the right way. This one has 2 nickels, so count by fives. And then count the pennies. 10 and 6 pennies. 10 and 6. That's a teen number. Okay, look at this one. 1 nickel, 4 pennies. So put 5 in your brain, then keep counting all of those pennies. And the last one, this one has 2 nickels and 5 pennies. So start with the nickels. 5 plus 5 is 10. And 5 more. 10 and 5. That's a teen number. All right, we're moving down. These are our base 10 blocks. When we have base 10 blocks, these long ones, we count by tens. 10, 20, 30. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37. So you write 37, 3, 7. Now you count this one. Count by tens first, and then the ones. Okay, now do this one. Count the tens first, and then the ones. Okay, this time you have to draw the blocks for 19. So when we draw the blocks for 19, we're going to draw one long one, that's 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 10 and 9 more makes 19. Now you draw the blocks for 52. 5 tens, 2 ones. 52. 5 tens, so draw 5 long ones and 2 ones, 2 cubes or 2 squares. And the last one, the number is 30. You draw the tens for 30. You don't need any ones in this one. You don't need any little squares because it says 0. So 3 tens, 0 ones makes 30. All right, today we're going to talk about our last coin, which most of you already know. So let's do our money song. One moment, please. There we go.
Found a penny, found a penny, found a penny just now. It is round and shiny. Found a penny just now. I see Lincoln, I see Lincoln, our 16th president. On the back is his memorial. Penny, pennies worth 1 cent. Found a nickel, found a nickel, found a nickel just now. It is round and fat and silver. Found a nickel just now. I see Jefferson, I see Jefferson, our 3rd president. On the back his Monticello.
paper. Remember, if you don't want to do it with me, you don't have to. But if you want to, you can. All right. So let's trace the letters in quarter. Q, backwards hook. U, because if you have a Q, you must have a U. A, R, T, we don't put that little tail on there. E, R, quarter. It says, quarter, quarter, big and bold, you're worth 25, I am told. Here's George Washington on the head of a quarter and the bald eagle, on the back or the tail of a quarter. So let's count how many quarters we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 quarters. And if you want to know how much money that is $1.75. Okay, that's it for math, guys. See you later. Bye-bye.